What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be using CEDAR Declipper to see if it can salvage some of these instrumentals. Doesn't sound bad yet until we get to the drums. Again, doesn't sound horrible, but you can definitely notice it's compressed to no end there. So I'm going to throw CEDAR Declipper on here. I'm going to just zero this all out. And it has an auto setting. Can toggle that on and off. And a gain adjustment knob. Pretty simple interface. And let's take a listen. So I'm going to have it on auto first. I'll just do this manually. To my ear, that sounds pretty good. Just to get some more dynamic range back on this thing. I would say that definitely improved that one quite a bit. So I'm digging in the crates here. These are some really old instrumentals. I'm gonna adjust your gain. You can actually use this tool to kind of salvage some instrumentals if you have some that you may have over compressed in the past if you're just learning how to do some production. Or if someone sends you a beat that's really compressed. So it gave me, you see, it got a little brighter in the top area here. It gave me a little bit more range in the top. What's that good for? So if I want to go back and tweak something and mix something a little further, it's kind of hard to add any additional compression without it sounding crazy. So it gives me a little bit more wiggle room to toy around with it, basically. This is a good one. To my ear, like the snare is just getting a little bit more life to it. That's crazy. You can definitely recover a lot from previous recordings. Anyway, hopefully you found this somewhat entertaining and maybe you want to test this thing out. I could put a link to the demo of this in the description below. Anyway, y'all, I will talk to you all soon. Have a good one.